In this video, I'll be introducing you to a couple of new scales. Before we get into the new ones, let's do a quick recap of the scales that we already learned. The first scale we learned is the major scale. We're going to start with C. This is going to be our 1, and go to 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, octave, and then back down. The next scale we learned is the natural minor scale. Starting from 1, we go to 2, flat 3, 4, 5, flat 6, flat 7, back to 1, and back down again. Now the new minor scale I want to show you today is the harmonic minor scale, which goes like this. 1, 2, flat 3, 4, 5, flat 6, and instead of having a flat 7 like we did with our natural minor, we're gonna go to natural 7. This is also one of the most popular scale used in music today. It's also one of my favorite. You can see that the only difference between the natural minor scale and the harmonic minor scale is the 7th note on the scale degree. Because of this change, this also changes the scale degrees within the harmonic minor chords. So if we're playing in the key of C harmonic minor scale, our first chord is going to be a C minor. Our second chord is a diminished. And third chord in the scale degrees will be an augmented chord. And then minor 4 next. Major 5. Major 6. Then finally, we end with a diminished 7th chord. You're going to be hearing this scale everywhere. Pop, trap, R&B, and jazz. And for trap, it's really good if you want to get that dark sound because the minor 1 chord is surrounded by a diminished chord. So for minor 1, we have diminished 2nd, which sounds pretty good back and forth. We can also go from minor 1 to diminished 7. I'm just playing it octave lower instead of playing it right here. I went from minor 1 to diminished 2, back to minor 1 to diminished 7. We can go from minor 1, diminished 7th, diminished 2nd, then major 5 right here. Another trap chord progression I like is minor 1, minor 4, diminished 7, and major 5. For pop / R&B, I like to try something like this. We go from minor 4 to major 5 to minor 1. So again, minor 4, major 5, back to minor 1. Just like the other scales, experiment with different keys and see which one you like the best. In modern music major scale, natural minor scale, and harmonic minor scale is what you're going to be hearing majority of the time. So those are the 3 scales you want to focus on the most, but I want to show you a couple more scales just in case you want to switch it up. Let's go over a couple of ethnic scales. The first one is minor Hungarian scale. So the minor Hungarian scale in C minor looks like this. Natural 1, natural 2, flat 3, sharp 4, natural 5, flat 6, and 7. The next scale I want to show you is the Arabic scale. We got 1, flat 2nd, natural 3rd, natural 4, 5, flat 6, 7, and back to 1. The next scale I like to show you is the pentatonic scale. The reason why it's called a pentatonic scale is because there are so many 5 notes in the scale. You will hear this often in Asian, Oriental, traditional Japanese, Chinese music. So it looks like this. So it's 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, and back to 1. That's it. Another thing to note about these ethnic scales is that in their culture, they don't really focus on chord progressions. So don't worry about using the scale degrees when using these scales. Use it more melodically. If you have to find chords and bass line under it, just use the common tones, but these scales are definitely geared towards simplicity. The last scale I want to show you is the blues scale. There will be a major and a minor blues scale. So for the major blues scale is 1, 2, flat third, and natural third, 5, 6, and back to 1. Here's what the minor blues scale looks like. So we go from 1 to flat third, 4, flat 5, natural 5, and flat 7. Just like the ethnic scale, you're using the blues scales melodically. Don't worry about the chord progressions. If you try to make a chord progressions using these scale degrees, it wouldn't make sense. Just use the common minor scale on top of the minor blues scales and the major scales on top of the major blues scales. So these are the couple of new scales you can try out on your next song. There are literally hundreds of more different types of scales, but we won't be discussing all of that here because 1, it would take way too long, and 2, you won't be hearing most of these scales in the music you listen to anyways. So once again, just focus on the big 3, the major scale, the natural minor scale, and the harmonic minor scale. For the other scales, such as ethnic and blues scales, only focus on the melody and don't worry about trying to make chord progressions using these scales.